Withdrawing funds from your Wise account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Access your Wise account by visiting the Wise website or opening the Wise app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the balance section. Once logged in, locate the balances section on your dashboard. This area displays all your currency balances and available funds. Step 3. Select the currency to withdraw. Choose the currency you wish to withdraw from your balances. Click on the specific currency to proceed with the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred withdrawal method. Wise offers various options such as bank transfer or debit card. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details for your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and method. Confirm the transaction to initiate the withdrawal. You will receive a notification once the process is complete. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your funds from Wise. If you encounter any issues, consult Wise's Help Center for further assistance.